Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the country of your Shopify store. So all you have to do is just simply go to settings over here. Then in the store details panel you will find a column called address. So just simply click the edit option over here. Besides address, then you will find your entire address details like your region address and etc. Now what you have to do is just simply click on the drop box of your country/region and choose whichever region you want to choose. But for some reason, if you're unable to click on the drop down box, just simply go in your payments option and disable your payment mode. So for some reason, if you're unable to click on the drop down box over here, it is possible that your payment mode is currently enabled. So what you have to do is just simply go to your payment section over here, then just simply scroll down and you will find deactivate payment method. Just simply deactivate the payment method. Then again come back to store details, then again go back to edit, then you will have the option to click on the drop down box and then you can change your country. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.